unboxing for you today. This is directly from the manufacturer, so it's a little curious to me that it's in a USPS priority mailbox. I don't know, I've never seen that from a manufacturer of handbags. This is a handbag unboxing. Well, sort of a handbag. It's a variation on a handbag, and it's something I never thought I would buy, but I purchased it for a very specific purpose. So stay tuned to see what I got, why I got this thing I never said I would get, and what I plan to do with it. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury, living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage. That's where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Let's get into this box, and actually I'm wondering now if it is what I think it is, because it's coming from New Jersey and I thought the item was coming from California. Who knows? Yes, it's the item that I thought it was. Okay, good. I was thinking, if this isn't what I thought it was, I'm gonna have to redo the intro and what do I even say and blah blah blah. Annoying. Okay, I'm glad it is what I think it was, what I thought it was. It's from Longchamp. When did they start shipping things in USPS priority mailboxes? Weird. These places usually ship, you know, UPS, FedEx. All right, untying the bag. I did not ask for gift wrapping, so this is a nice surprise. I watched a few videos on this item and I thought it looks like it'll be perfect for what I need it for. Oh, the lime green. Look at the greens together, first of all. I know these are Longchamp's regular colors, but they're very on trend right now with the green. It's the hottest color of the year, you know. All right, here's my little item. It is much smaller than I thought it would be, but that's just because it's folded up. They have it in the nice Longchamp tissue paper and the little sticker over there with the horse on it. Let's pull that tissue paper right off. And there's more tissue paper. Here it is, all folded up. Any guesses about what it could be? It's not a Le Pliage tote. Let me get all the plastic off and then I'll show you. The color is different than what I thought it would be. I don't know if I like it. All right, are you ready? Here it is, the Longchamp Le Pliage backpack. What? I got a backpack? I did indeed. We're about to go on a trip, and by the time you see this video, we will already have taken the trip and be back. We're going on a trip where we'll be doing some hiking and photography, and I'll need to be hands-free, so I figured what better bag to have for a trip like that than a little backpack to carry my water bottle and a first aid kit, because we're going to a place where a friend of ours got injured pretty badly once. Cell phone, sunglasses, wallet, ID, things like that. So I didn't need a huge backpack. I wanted something stylish and nice like Longchamp. I wanted something waterproof, which I know Longchamp is. I wanted a neutral color, so I thought I would go with the brown with the brown leather. I don't know, it's more of an orangey brown. I'm not sure how I feel about the two browns together. I thought it would be a little bit more brown, less orange. I don't know. I mean, it's probably fine. I don't know. I wanted something that would be neutral to go with different outfits. It's probably fine. I don't know. We'll see. I'll go back and look at some of the other colors, but I think it'll be fine. So I watched some videos on this, and let me do a what fits and then I'll do a mod shots for you. And the way this backpack works, just to go over the features, it has this little handle, obviously. It has this flap with a snap closure for extra security like Longchamp has, with the zipper. And this zipper, I'll put the official dimensions of the bag in the description box below, by the way. And it does come. Okay, let me say this. A lot of the videos on this backpack say that this is the only size that this backpack comes in. That's not true anymore. It used to be. Since backpacks have become more popular, Longchamp has released different sizes. There's a mini one. There's one that's larger than this, which I thought about getting because I do tend to carry more things, but I really wanted to limit myself to carrying less because I don't want it to get heavy on my shoulders, and I have back problems. I don't want to be out in the wilderness and have my back start hurting because I packed too much on me. So this should be good to limit me. I also thought it would be cuter, just visually, fashionably, having the smaller size, which is the regular size. I bought this directly from Longchamp, and the price, the color is called Cognac. The price I don't remember. think it was $125, pretty sure. And that's for the regular Le Pliage. They also have leather backpacks, which are much more expensive. They're several $100s. I didn't want that. I wanted the nylon. And they have club versions, which are other colors where the leather's the same color, and then it has a contrasting color button, glazing, and little logo. This doesn't have the little logo on it. I guess, well, it has it on the leather. You can see the horse there. On the club ones, it has it stitched on the side, like this, for example. Here's the base, so you can see it's... I'll take the measurements of the base for you. Let's do that. The base is 10 inches across, 4 inches deep. And you can see it's wider at the bottom, more narrow at the top. So we'll see how that works when I start putting things in it. And on the back, you already saw it can fold up and snap together. And it has the little zipper pull. My bag has gold. And these are just cottony seatbelt material sort of straps. They're nothing fancy. There's no padding on them. Another reason why I wanted to get a smaller bag to keep things light, because I worry that this could get uncomfortable over time. And it just has a little plastic buckle down here to be able to adjust the length of the straps. All right, let's put stuff in this and see what fits. After, of course, I show you the inside, which on this one is a white wipeable lining, and it has this pocket here. Should be great for putting my phone in a card holder. Okay, first thing I wanted to try is 3 different size water bottles. This is kind of a regular size. This is by the brand Swig, and that fits in great. I did see a video where a girl put her MacBook Air in here. It just barely fit. There you go. So if it fits that, it'll fit an iPad if you're interested in that. I have a 32-ounce water bottle. It's fat and shorter. That easily fits in there. And let me take both of those out, because I also have, I'm not sure this is going to fit, but I'd really love to take it because it's my biggest one, and it'd be good to have enough water on the hike. This is a 40-ounce water bottle. And yes, I could get that in there. That would work. Excellent. Great. I'm happy about that. All right, let me put my 40-ounce water bottle off to the side. I'm going to take a first aid kit with me on this trip. Not usually something I do, but like I said, we have a friend who got badly injured at this location, so I'm taking it just in case. I also have a tourniquet kit I'm taking. I know how to use tourniquet kits and do stop the bleed and all that stuff. Pack gunshot wounds. Because I'm a teacher and we have to know those things these days. Isn't that wonderful? I have sunglasses. I'll also take bug spray and like my wallet with my ID, just like card holder. I have a scarf. I don't think I'll take this scarf. This is my Louis Vuitton one. But I could take a smaller scarf. But for the purposes of what fits, let's put that in there. I've got my iPhone 10. Let me see if that fits in the pocket. It easily does. Now let's see if I can get this closed after I show you what that looks like inside. So that has everything. It's not very heavy. Of course, I don't have water in that bottle. That's going to make it a lot heavier. That easily zipped up. It does have this little metal tab here to help you snap it closed and get it unsnapped more easily. Right now it's not going to stand up on my desk on its own. It wants to fall forward, but I think that just depends on how you pack it. All right, let me put this on and let's see how it looks. First of all, I want to try it on one shoulder just for carrying it around town instead of on the hike. I saw in one of the Longchamp photographs with the model wearing the bag that she put both straps over her shoulder instead of just one. And that doesn't really work very well because this strap wants to just fall off. But it looked a lot better because the bag is sitting upright rather than carrying it like this where it looks more sloppy. All right, now I've got it on properly around my shoulders and I'll give a spin. Let's see how that looks. Looks good, I guess, huh? What do we think? Looks like a backpack, eh? Just wearing it momentarily like that, it did not feel heavy. Of course, again, I don't have water in that 40-ounce water bottle, so that will make a big difference. But I think this will be very, very handy on the trip. I think it'll be just perfect for what we're doing, and I'm happy about it. And I think the color will work. I was just a little surprised by it at first. I wish I'd been able to see it in person. I think it'll work. I think it's a good choice. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope to see you back here next time. I hope that you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.